Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be looking at 5 completely new features on the Fold 6 that will blow your mind. These features are currently exclusive to the brand new Fold 6 and the Flip 6, and no other phone in the world can do the same, even the S24 Ultra. So let's dive in and see all these features one by one. These are incredible AI features that take it to the next level. Let's start with number 1. Also, if you want to buy the Fold 6 at the lowest pricing and best incentives, the links will be down below. There are some powerful limited time deals available. Details in description below. Alright, so let's talk about the first feature. So what you want to do is you want to go to your gallery. So I'm going to go to my gallery and you want to pick a photo. Ideally, you want to pick a photo that is a picture of yourself. So I'm going to pick this one right here, and you can see there is my ugly face. So again, I'm going to tap over here. And what you want to look for is you want to look for the intelligence button, which is this guy right over here. Okay, so then you tap on the intelligence button, and what that is going to do is it's going to bring up the AI studio. And then again, if you have a photo of yourself or anybody else, all you do is you tap on Portrait Studio. I'm going to tap on it, and that is going to bring a bunch of options. You can see right over here, there is a selection of my face. That is going to be automatic. And all I'm going to do is I am going to choose one of these guys. I'm going to say choose comic. I'm going to say generate. And look at what happens. It says crafting, applying enhanced artistry, adding style and flair. And look at that. From my portrait, it was able to generate these images. And you also have option to scroll through various different options, or if you go all the way to the end, you can do another generation and it's going to be slightly different. So with these creations, if you like any one of them and you want to use it as your avatar, you tap on the download button and that's going to save that into the gallery. So that's one. And also you can do 3D cartoon. So I'm going to do the same thing. You have 4 options. Let me just show you the whole thing. So I can tap on generate again. Let's see what happens. There we go. So that's the 3D cartoon. Now it doesn't really look like me, but it is creating something that it thinks is close to it, and they are really high quality. Let's do the watercolor. Let's look at that as well. So that's that one. That actually I'm satisfied with. So this looks pretty good. All right, and gives you different options. Again, if you want to download any one of these guys, you simply tap on the download button. And finally, let's look at the sketch. I'm going to tap on sketch, tap on generate. All right, let's see what happens. And this time we have the sketch. This probably is the best because it's black and white. All right, looks like somebody actually drew the image. All right, so if you want to, again, download it, you tap this button right here. It says save to gallery. I can also tap on save a copy, and it's going to bring that, it's going to save it as a copy as well. All right, so that is incredible that this is actually happening just by using AI. So that's number 1, magic. Let's move on and talk about feature number 2 that is still going to be exclusive to the Fold 6 and the Flip 6. Now for this next feature, you are going to need an S Pen. Okay, so I have one right here. I just have an S Pen Pro here. I will drop a link to this one below, but you can use any S Pen. The one you get with the case is fine as well. So this one, what you do is you press the S Pen button to bring up the Air command menu. This one is known as Sketch to Image. So if I click on it, look at what happens. It says, it is telling me to draw something. So I am going to draw something very rough. I'm going to try to draw a car. So I'm going to do 2 wheels. All right, and I'm going to give it a body. Let's see, like this. Let's make this a little pointy. Okay, let's just add a door, handle, and a rear window and a front window. So that is a very rough sketch. It looks like a car. Let's see what it turns that into. And I can pick from these options. So let me start with sketch, generate. That's not too bad. Okay, and it's keeping my ideas in there. So the window I added here, and the door is there. But it is turning it into something different and more artistic. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at that. All right, so it knows it's a car, and it's giving me all these various options. Let's go back here, tap on the sketch, go to pop art. Let's try that. It's going to look different. Okay, so that's that. Let's see what else we have. Okay, the more precise your drawing is, the better these images are going to turn out to be. All right, but this is some really nice abstract art. This I like. I would even use this. Okay, by the way, if you want to save any one of these guys, you tap on save, and they get saved into your gallery. But let's go back and look at the other options. I like to show everything. So 3D cartoon, generate. It looks like a 3D cartoon. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's go back, tap over here, illustration, tap on generate. And there we go. That's the illustration. Fantastic stuff. All right. And when you're here, you can also tap on this and you can start drawing again. Let's see what happens if I draw a house. So tap on sketch, generate. I'm just curious. Wow, this is amazing. I mean, I wasn't expecting that to be that good. All right. Here is just one more example, just for the hell of it. So let's see what we can do here. That is crazy. Really is crazy. That's the 3D cartoon style. All right, guys, that's it. Let's move on to the next feature. So again, it has to do with the gallery, and it allows you to take any photo and draw new things into your photo. So again, you can simply sketch something on a photo, and it's going to create something purely from AI. So here's a photo with my daughter. I'm going to tap on intelligence, all right, and I'm going to access the sketch to image functionality. Now I'll use S Pen for this. You can do it with your fingers as well, but if you have purchased an S Pen for your foldable device, you can use that as well. I'll drop a link to S Pens down below as well. Certain cases when you buy them, they come with the S Pen, so you'll most likely have it anyway. So I'm going to tap on sketch to image. All right, this is the second feature. Now I want to give a hat to my daughter. What I am going to do is I can pinch to make it easier. And now I'm going to draw a little hat, okay? I'm just going to give it an idea of what I want. It is going to decide what it wants to create too. So that looks like a hat, nothing special. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to tap on generate. Let's see what happens. And again, we are going to get several different creations. So not just one, but a couple. Wow, it just added an image to her head, and it looks realistic. Let me see if I can zoom in. Nope, I'm going to save a copy of this in a second. But look at this. This is the second option. That is also amazing. Looks 100% real. Look at this. That's crazy. All right, let's go back over here. Another crazy one. All of these look realistic. I'm going to say save a copy. All right, and look at that. Let me just zoom into it. So that's the photo after the edition. You can see we even have the shadows to make it look realistic. This looks so real, it is crazy. That is incredible. Here's the original. Here's the AI generation. That is crazy. So that is, I do want to give you guys one more example. This is going to be a very abstract example. So I'm going to tap on this guy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add something right next to this. Here's a Z Flip 6 photo. I'm going to add something right here. So I'm going to do something very rough. So like a rough sketch. So again, I'm going to tap this. I'm going to tap on intelligence. I'm going to say sketch to image. And let's add something over here. I'm going to draw something like this. Let's give it a tip. Okay. And I'm going to tap on generate. And let's see what it generates. I know what you guys are thinking it's going to generate, but that's not going to happen. So let's wait for a second. It just put a pen right there, a pencil. This is crazy. I'm going to swipe over. Okay, that's maybe not that great. Let's do it one more time. Another pencil. So this time it chose a pencil because the shape I drew reminded it of a pencil. Now let's edit the drawing. Let me erase what I did. And let's see if I can do something like a bottle. So this time we are going to do a bottle. Let's see what it turns that into. Generate. Again, this can be anything. You could put a cat there, you could put a dog, whatever, if you can sketch it. Let's see what happens with this one. Wow, look at that. It just put a bottle right next to it, and it looks like a very nice bottle. Swipe over, nothing over here. Another bottle, another bottle. No problem. So then I can save it, and I just want you guys to see after I save it, and if I zoom it in, this is not like a joke. It just looks realistic. It feels as if the bottle is actually there. You even have some shadows at the bottom to give it definition as if it's sitting on the table. So that is number 2, sketch to image. Let's move on to the next one. Now this one is going to work with the gallery again. So let's just grab this photo right here. Okay. This time you don't tap intelligence. You swipe up on an image you want to apply this effect to. Swipe up. And then what you can do is you can add the live effect. This is the button. You tap on live effect and look at what it does. Adding the live effect, and let's see what it's going to turn into. Look at that. That is insane. And then you can save the copy, and it is going to save that as a video. It turned that into a 3D image that you can use on social media. Okay, so if I go back out, this is what it is right here. That's a video file. And it's a 3D effect that was added to it. That's it. Let's move on to the final feature I want to talk about. Now this feature, you can find it on the S24 Ultra and also on the S23 if you have had the update. But in this phone, this feature is finalized. In the other phones, this feature was presented as a lab feature. So you go to Wallpaper and Style, you go to Change Wallpapers, and you scroll down and you go to Photo Ambient Wallpaper. So now, if you go to the S24 Ultra, it's still going to say Lab. So it's still under development for those phones, but here it is finalized. So look at what I can do with this guy. It says try now, so I'm going to try it. But basically, based on the exterior weather conditions outside, it is going to add snow, rain, and stuff like that to your photo. So you can do a demonstration. This is the original photo right here, and look at what it's turned into. So let's look at this. I'm going to say try now. So let's pick this one right here. I'm going to pick this one, okay? And then I am going to tap on the play button. You can save it by tapping done, but I'm going to tap on the play button, and look at what it's going to do. That is going to, it's adding the, look at that. Rain is coming down. You can even see the little water drop. That's the snow, and you can see how it is 3D. So some of the snow is actually going behind me. Some of it is going in front of me. Let me play that again. And I want you guys to notice the water drops. Look at this. That's the water drop added to it. And there's the rain, there's the snow in front of me and behind me as if it's real. And when you are done, when you want to set this as a wallpaper, you tap on done. Again, the possibilities with this thing are endless. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. Again, these are exclusive features to the Fold 6 thanks to the software. They might trickle down to other phones, but right now, no other phone on the market except for the Flip 6 can do this. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.